Your home may have electrical or gas appliances depending on which you choose during your home selection process. In the kitchen, these can include refrigerators, stoves, ranges, microwave ovens, and dishwashers. Other appliances could also include your washer and dryer and heating and cooling system. Once a year, check your furnace and HVAC system to make sure they're functioning properly. Do this by inspecting for connection integrity in the crossover ducts. If they're not airtight, your system could be compromised and need repair. You should also check for tears, holes, leaks, and damage that could be caused by animals under your home. If you find any of these issues or find moisture inside the outer protective wrapping, the problems must be corrected immediately. Correct these concerns to reduce potential moisture-related damage to your home, prevent high utility bills, and prevent loss of your home warranty. If you find any of these problems when inspecting your HVAC system, check the warranty provided by your system manufacturer to see if it is still active. If it is, contact the system manufacturer and set up a time for repair. Twice a year, check your dryer vent exhaust line inside and outside of your home for obstructions. If you have a wall-mounted vent, you can remove the line from the dryer and wall vent connector and shake it out. If your duct goes through the floor, do the same for the flex connector and clean out the line from the floor. You can purchase a duct cleaner brush from your local home improvement store, which can be used to push through the line to clean it out. You'll also want to check the AC drain line twice a year to make sure it is free of debris and is draining properly. The drain is located outside of the home and is usually a white 3/4 inch or 1 inch PVC pipe. This should be wet and have water around it as it is cooling the home. If it isn't properly draining, contact a professional to help resolve the problem. Now, there are other tasks to complete every month to assure that all of your systems are working efficiently. If you have a range hood in the kitchen, make sure to clean the filter every month. Remember to clean or replace the filters in your furnace and air conditioner, as well as check the A coils. If you have A coils, they are most likely located on top of or below electric furnaces and in the cabinet below a gas furnace to ensure that they're not covered with corrosion or dust. However, some homes have units that are outside the home, which means your A coils and all HVAC equipment will be outside. Each appliance in your home has a manual provided by the appliance manufacturer that will give you information on your units. Make sure to check the warranty coverage for each appliance and fill out the warranty card and send it in if applicable. If there is an issue with any home appliance, contact the original appliance manufacturer with questions and see if your warranty is still active. If it is still active, the issue might be able to be resolved under the warranty. If it isn't still active or not covered under the warranty, they will likely assist you in finding a solution. You can also check with your local home improvement store for people to assist you with your appliance repair.